Hello again everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use the lightning fast Nova trading bot to trade meme coins. Nova is one of the fastest bots on the market, and if you want to make sure you get in a trade first, then this bot is all you need. Nova works much faster than Bullix or Photon, and there are different options that you can set up to become a more profitable trader. If you want to install the Nova bot Telegram bot, please use my link in the description below and you can start right away. After clicking the start button, the bot will give you a wallet address and a private key. Write down this address and your private key, because if you ever need to reinstall Telegram again, you will need the private key to restore your Nova bot wallet, so it's important to write it down somewhere safe. When that's done, you can send some Solana to your wallet address. You can trade with more than just one wallet or import an existing one. You can even import your Bullix wallet into Nova and use the quick buy buttons in Bullix to buy tokens with Nova. To add the Nova buttons to Bullix, click on Nova Click and download the Chrome extension from here. Add the extension to your Chrome browser and enable it. Restart Bullix and the buttons will appear at the top. If you use the quick buttons to trade the token, Nova will buy the token or sell it depending on what you want to do and trade it much faster than Bullix, which is very important in a volatile meme coin market where speed is everything. You will also get a notification in your Nova Telegram bot if the trade took place. If you don't want to use the Nova buy buttons, you can use Nova in a separate window next to your Bullix or Photon account and switch between the two programs. Let's first adjust the Nova settings. I leave the buy and sell fee as it is at 0.001 Sol and the tip fees are 0.005 Sol. I have the buy slippage at 25% and 50% for the sell slippage. You can choose to enable MEF protection, but I don't use it because I trade with a small amount of Solana. If you trade with a big amount of money, I recommend enabling MEF protection. If MEF protection is enabled, you can select G2, Node or Ultra. G2 will work fine for most trades. In the quick buy settings, you can set the amount of Solana that you want to assign to the different buy buttons, and you can also set a take profit and stop loss order here. If you don't like the preset quick sell buttons, change them like I did. I use button 1 to sell 25%, button 2 to sell 50%, and button 3 to sell 100% of my tokens. To manually buy a token, go to the menu page, click buy, paste the token contact address and you'll be presented with all the buying options. If you want to buy coins super quickly, I recommend using Nova Auto Bot feature. Here's how it works. Whenever you paste a token contact address in the chat, Nova instantly buys the token for you. There's no need to manually put in how many Solana you want to invest. To set up the auto buy function, go to settings and add a rule. You will be asked to enter the minimum market cap first, then the maximum market cap, and finally the preset buy amount, which will be used for each transaction. I have set a minimum market cap of 50,000 and a maximum market cap of 5 million. For the buy amount, I usually go with 0.5 Solana. You can also set a take profit and stop loss order here. My strategy is to take profit at 40%, which means that I sell 100% of the position when the coin's value goes up 40%. The stop loss is also 40%. Nova speed is incredible, so it's perfect for catching opportunities before the market shifts. Buying a coin is as simple as pasting the token contract in the chat and Nova takes care of it. The entire process is seamless and fast. You can also copy trade other wallets in Nova. Go to copy trade, enter a new task and paste the wallet that you want to copy trade. You can copy my settings if you want to start copy trading. There is also a sniper function which allows you to snipe currently migrating pump fund tokens and new radium liquidity pools with ease. Check out the online documentation to see how to use the sniper function. If you need any more information on how to set up specific features, they have a complete online guide with interactive tutorials to help you out as fast as possible. Nova is the best trading bot for Telegram at this moment, and I highly recommend you to use it if you want to buy and sell meme coins before other traders. When it comes to meme coin trading, you want to be faster than your competition. Timing is everything. NovaBot is known for its lightning-fast performance and ranks as one of the leading tools for executing rapid trades in the meme coin market. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If you learned something new from my video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Happy trading and have a great day. Bye bye.